Hello and welcome. This is lesson 2 of Learn Hindi through English, and in this lesson we will build upon what we have learned in lesson 1. Alright? Now, in Hindi, nahi is the word for no, don't, not. Alright? Nahi, 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 nahi. Na is pronounced as usual. When you pronounce he, you must use your nose. Okay? It is not nahi, nahi. It is nahi, nahi. Although, as you are learning Hindi for the first time, if you use nahi, the person whom you are addressing to will understand that you are saying no or don't or not. Alright? But the right pronunciation is nahi, nahi, nahi. Okay? In the previous video, we have seen how to say I am Shilpa or I am a girl. Now, let us negate it. Let us see how to say I am not Shilpa and I am not a girl. Alright? I am Shilpa is मैं Shilpa हूँ. If you still remember from the previous lesson, it is मैं Shilpa हूँ. Alright? Now we have a new word which is not, and I told you that not is nahi in Hindi. Okay? So nahi should be placed before the verb. Okay? This is verb, before the verb. Before the verb, the nahi should come. Nahi should come. Alright? So I is मैं, Shilpa, nahi is not, and then last verb who. So if you remember the format of Hindi, it is subject, object and verb, right? The verb comes at the end. Okay? I am not a girl. I am not a girl. मैं एक लड़की नहीं हूँ. मैं एक लड़की नहीं हूँ. So nahi should be placed before the who, before the verb. Alright? And nahi in this context means not. Not. Alright? I am not Ranjit. I am not Ranjit. मैं रंजित नहीं हूँ. मैं रंजित नहीं हूँ. I am not John. I am not John. मैं John नहीं हूँ. मैं John नहीं हूँ. Alright? Now, I want you to write the sentence like this in the comment, but not now, at the end. I am not, and write a name which is not yours. Alright? I am not, and write a name which is not yours. And in Hindi, how would you write it or how would you say it? Okay, I want you to type it in the comment box at the end of the session or the video. Now, proceeding further, the Hindi equivalent word for from is say. Say, and it is pronounced like English word say. Say. Okay? Say means from. Alright? And in the previous video we have seen how to say I am Indian. I am Indian, right? मैं भारतीय हूँ. मैं भारतीय हूँ. Alright? Now, I am from India. We have a new word here, from, and we know what it means in Hindi, or how is it called in Hindi. It is called as say, or the word for from is say. Okay? In Hindi, it is मैं भारत से हूँ. मैं भारत से हूँ. Alright? Now, मैं is I, Bharat, India, say, from, who, am. All right. Now, if you see the pattern here, okay, it is not a rule. It is not a rule. I is may. Okay. First word is same. Okay. I and may, same. And from here to here, left to right, we move in Hindi. And from right to left, we move in English. I mean the words. Okay. See, this is left, Bharat. This is right, India. Then after Bharat, we have say. Before India, we have from. After say, we have whom. Before from, we have am. Alright. So only I is the first word. Okay. First letter, I can say first letter. Then from here to here to here, the words are in opposite direction, if it helps you to remember. Alright. But say comes before the verb. Say comes before the verb. Alright. Next, let us see a few examples. I am from America. I am from America. मैं अमेरिका से हूँ. मैं अमेरिका से हूँ. Say comes before whom. I am from the south. I am from the south. मैं दक्षिण से हूँ. मैं दक्षिण से हूँ. Alright. There is no equivalent word for the in Hindi. Alright. The. There is no equivalent for the in Hindi. Now, let us combine the two things that we have studied till now, which is not and from. I am not from America. I am not from America. Then it is मैं अमेरिका से नहीं हूँ. मैं अमेरिका से नहीं हूँ. I am not from the south. मैं दक्षिण से नहीं हूँ. मैं दक्षिण से नहीं हूँ. Alright. Now, once again, if you see here, I is मैं. I is मैं. First letter matches. Now, for rest of the sentence, you move from left to right like this, and you move from right to left like this for English. Left America, rightmost word America. Then after America, say. Before America, from. Both are same. After say, nahi. Before from, not. Nahi and not are same. After nahi, whom. Before not, am. Am and whom are same. Alright. Now that is one pattern to remember, but this rule does not hold good for all the sentences. Alright. It holds good for this, but not all. Okay. You cannot say मैं अमेरिका नहीं से हूँ. You cannot say that. It doesn't make any sense. मैं अमेरिका नहीं से हूँ. You cannot say like that. Okay. It is मैं अमेरिका से नहीं हूँ. Okay. I hope you got that. Now, next word is and. And. Okay. And is और in Hindi. और in Hindi. Alright. Now let us try to connect the two sentences here. We have seen what I am John is, or how do we say I am John in Hindi, and how do we say I am from America in Hindi, right? Now let us join those two. I am John and I am from America. I am John and I am from America. Alright. So in Hindi it would be मैं John हूँ और मैं अमेरिका से हूँ. मैं जॉन हूं और मैं अमेरिका से हूं. Or is and, which is used to connect two sentences here. Alright. One more example. I am a doctor and I am a girl. I am a doctor and I am a girl. मैं एक डॉक्टर हूं. We have seen this sentence, right, in the previous video. And, or, and, or. मैं एक लड़की हूं. मैं एक लड़की हूं. I am a girl. Alright? That is how we join two sentences. Okay? One more example. I am a doctor and I am happy. We have seen how to say this and this in the previous video. मैं एक डॉक्टर हूं और मैं खुश हूं. And is or. मैं एक डॉक्टर हूं और मैं खुश हूं. I am Ranjit and I am a Hindu. मैं रंजित हूं और मैं एक हिंदू हूं. मैं रंजित हूं और मैं एक हिंदू हूं. Alright? Or is and. Now, I want you to do this also, okay, as a practice. I want you to take two sentences. You can frame anything on your own and connect those two sentences with or, okay, or, okay. Next, proceeding to the next concept or next word, ya is the word for or ya is the Hindi word for English word or, okay. Now let us once again try to connect two sentences using or. I am a doctor or I am happy. I am a doctor or I am happy. Okay, I have taken the same two sentences which I have taken previously because I do not want to confuse you. So this sentence does not make any sense right now. Okay, but do not worry about it. I just want you to know how it works, how the concept of or how do we use or. Okay, you can use any two sentences which makes sense and connect them using or. All right. I am a doctor और I am happy. मैं एक डॉक्टर हूं या मैं खुश हूं. या is or. I am रंजित और I am a हिंदू. मैं रंजित हूं या मैं एक हिंदू हूं. या is or. Alright. So now once again one more exercise for you. Use or and connect two sentences, okay, which should be meaningful, okay, which should be meaningful, not like what I have given as example for you. All right. Yeah. Now proceeding, I want to make a thing clear for you, which is about the subject and verb relationship. Subject and verb relationship. Now, I am late. I are late. You are sad. You is sad. She is old. She were old. That is a dog. That are a dog. He was good. He were good. You were dreaming. You is dreaming. Alright? When you read this, which one makes sense or which one is correct? The sentences on the left are right. Right? The sentences on the right are wrong. Correct? Or the sentences that are in the blue color are wrong. Correct? That is because there is no agreement between the subject and the verb. What I mean to say is, when I comes, am must come. Subject and verb, there is a relationship. Both are agreeing. I and R does not come together or do not come together. You and are, it comes. You and is, it doesn't come in any sentence, right? She is right. She were is wrong. So what I mean to say is the verb should agree with the subject. The verb should agree with the subject. Correct? Same thing goes for Hindi also. Hindi also. Okay? In Hindi, we have seen these sentences, right? In Hindi, we have seen or we have come across these sentences. I am a teacher. I am a teacher, which in Hindi is मैं एक शिक्षक हूँ. मैं एक शिक्षक हूँ. Right? I hope you remember. Next, I am an Indian. I am an Indian. मैं भारतीय हूँ. मैं भारतीय हूँ. Correct? Yeah. So what you need to remember is मैं always comes with whom. मैं always comes with whom. मैं always comes with whom. मैं does not come with anything else other than whom. Similar to I does not come with anything else. It doesn't come with are. It doesn't come with is. It doesn't come with where. It doesn't come with are. Right? It only comes with am. I only comes with am. Similarly, मैं comes only with whom. Whom. You must remember this. Okay? And as we proceed through the videos or through the lessons, I will be saying this. Okay? Subject and verb relationship, and it is very important for you to remember that. Alright? Now, go ahead and practice saying this, and I've given you few exercises. So complete it and you can comment in the box below. I'll make a new video. Till then, take care and thank you for watching. Click subscribe, click on the bell icon and click on all to get notified when we post a new video. If you want to watch more videos, click on the channel and click on playlists and follow any playlist that you want.